Making a generator can be challenging, and that is why in today's video I'm going to walk you through the processes involved. Now, for this, I want to make a small generator to give you an idea of how a generator works. So now I want to make a spool that will hold the wires. So I glue these PVC pieces together, drilled a hole through them, and put a screw through that hole. And with that, I spun it with a drill and used a sandpaper to smooth off the circumference of the PVC. Now I got a nail and passed it through a pair of the spool. I used a tape on the nail because it was smaller than the hole, and now it fits right. I added super glue to hold it more tightly and also did the same for the other one. Now the next thing is to get some wire, and we are going to use a copper wire because it has better output. Now as you get ready to start your winding, the first thing you will do is to loop some wires outside the spool, as that will be your starting wire. After that, you proceed to start your winding. First, make some turns around the nail before you use any kind of machine to assist your winding. But if you are not using any machine, then proceed to make the turns by hand and be careful to count as you wind. Then for me, I'm using a drill. I made quite some turns, and honestly I don't even know how many, but with your eyes you can tell if it is up to the length or amount that you want. Now repeat that for the second spool, and remember to bring out a good length of wire as a finishing point. Once done, I went on to work on the magnetic rotor. It's actually the same setup I used in my previous video. The link is down below. Just make sure that going round, the magnets are in a north-south orientation. If not, then your effort will definitely be for nothing. So after mounting the magnets, slide a rod through it. Like I said, same as my previous video. Now I went ahead to get a flat PVC as the base, and then glued the spool onto the PVC. Then I took a mark of how far apart they should be to allow the magnets to spin. After that, I went ahead to glue the magnets onto the board using some PVC as the support. And that's it. You've made your own generator. Let's see its performance using this multimeter. But first, let's connect just one coil to see what it can do. Driving it with a drill, we can see that it produces about 1.2 to 1.4 volts. So that means that they both should make around 3 volts. Then let's connect the two coils. Drive it with a drill again, and we can see that it races towards 4 volts. Not bad for something this small. Like I said in the beginning, this project is just to give you an idea of how to make a generator. Now it's left for you to know what you want, because if you connect the two starting wires together and the two ending wires, the generator will give you more current, and that connection is made in parallel. But if you connect it in series, which is one finishing wire to one starting wire and the other two wires as your output, you will get more voltage. I hope you got something from the video. So like and subscribe. Then if you have any questions or ideas, just comment down below.